Hi, so today I'm going to take you through how to manage your leads in Picsello. So, leads can come in from your contact form, your Picsello contact form that you put in your website, or you can simply use this Picsello public profile to collect leads, post it on Facebook or Google Business, and they will just come directly into your. Uh, let's put Let's fill out a contact form so you can show how it works. So I'm going to say a friend. Yeah, let's put Jake there. And I would like a newborn shoot. I'm going to do April 1st. Okay. So you'll see that contact form can either be on your website or your public profile. And what hit refresh here. And you'll see that it comes right into your inbox. And so you can come in here and see your lead. And here we go. It's a referral friend. Due April 1st. What you can do from here is come in and view the lead. You can also view it on the left-hand side by clicking View Leads. But we're going to pop in and see how we can view the lead here. And so once you are in this section, you're going to want to book your client. So as she just actually sent just a, hey, I'm due April 1st, you're going to want to send her your pricing, send an email with, probably a bit of back and forth, get her on the phone and talk about what day and what package she wants. And once you have all that information, you can come in here and actually add a package. I have one package and you can add a shoot date. So we're going to just put in here the shoot date that I popped in for her. So she's due around the 1st. And so it's a 2-hour session and in studio. And we're going to click save. And from there, all you have to do is make sure that you have the correct contract. I have the newborn session contract and I keep the Picsello template newborn questionnaire in there. So then all you do is hit send. And it's going to actually send the proposal to your client. You can also come in here and enable the follow-ups, little bits of reminders that actually make sure that they fill out the questionnaire and contract for your clients to be reminded of. But we're going to go in here and modify that and quickly hit send. And so your email is sent to your client, simple as that. A little bit if you have already gotten a lead, maybe it is through Facebook or, meeting somebody. I'm like, hey, I would love to do a shoot with you. Grab their email and we're going to input a lead. That didn't come through your profile. Probably let's do a different one. I'm going to put my email address, click newborn, and here we go. Very simple. And one last thing, if you don't already have, if you don't have their email address is in your Picsello account already, all you have to do is just come in here and add their email. Just gonna do fake email address. Here we go. And the phone number is optional. I like to collect it because I like to text my client with any information. Oh, client phone is invalid. Let me see. It doesn't like that. And she's added here. And again, all you really have to do in order to send the proposal is add your package, your shoot details. And once you've added your package, you then make sure that your questionnaire and your contract are the correct ones. And then some shoot details. Again, go ahead and fill that out. So hopefully you learned a little bit more about how to use leads in Picsello.